empakeze z'akamaririzo zetabirwa mu kwaya mukaga ezibire nizihayana omukweshongora ebyeshongoro by'abajurizi ezibire zirumwe z'abakristayo nka Africorus Baptist High School Kitebi, Rwenzori Diocese Kampala Fellowship Choir na Christ Church Choir eya Guru, kandi z'abakatoliki ni St. Aloysius Choir Olivo, St. Charles Rwanga Choir eya Rubaga hamwe na Cherubim Chambers, kandi empaka zigwirweho javaza nganabo omuhwezo w'orukurra company ya Vision Group osimira batire mu sente hamwe n'abanyadini abashajjere.
I wish to thank first and foremost Mama Janet Museveni, who was one of the very first persons to believe in this idea and agreed to support it.
Ndyanabo ashoborira habwa chempakeza nizitebekanisibwa kuzina ekigendererwa cyo kutungura entaranta hamwe no kugitabikiriza.
This is because as Vision Group we believe in the ideals that the Uganda Martyrs stood for as they faced death for what they believed in.
Empakeze tabirwemo ebikonji omuri abanyadini hamwe n'abanyabutegetsi nko wabireho enganzo y'ihanga John Patrick Amama Mbabazi, Catherine Bamugemerire hamwe n'abandi bingi. Archbishop w'ekanisa ya Uganda Samuel Stephen Kazimba Mugaru ahantu hayorekere ngo kabaka mwanga okwita abajurizi akaba n'amanya ngo yaheza hedini bitu kikongera abantu okwikiriza.
Their death, which would be the end of the gospel, instead became the seed.
Mugaru asimire Vision Group ahabwa entebekanisa y'empakezi.
I am indeed grateful to God for New Vision Group for this initiative to have the Martyrs de Kasiki crowned with singing.
Minister w'ebyobwegese Janet Kataha Museveni obutumwa bwe aburabize omurima y'Kochebita omuramuzi wa koti enkirazona.
I applaud the New Vision Printing and Publishing Company for considering this creative and memorable experience, which adds further significance to our treasured customary mass pilgrimage and prayers, which are held annually in Namugongo.
I wish His Grace the Archbishop had invited me to join in the singing that he and Bishop Sinabudia performed here.
Nabwanyuma kwa yezisingire ezirmu Cherubim Chambers na Africorus Choir zikwasibwe bichoncho bya miliyoni 10 buri kwaya, eza kabiri zakwasibwe bichoncho bya miliyoni 5 kandi zikwasirwa kashatu zitungire miliyoni 3 kandi empakezi zibire nishajukwa office ya First Lady Crown Beverages hamwe n'ebindi bitongore. Ndi Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West agachenchwire.